Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students and respected parents. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. I'm your teacher Ifat. I will teach you English. Today we will study our grammar unit number 4. Before starting the lesson, we will discuss the moral lesson. Yes, the moral lesson of today is don't lie. As you know, we all are Muslim. It is our responsibility. We have to practice the truth. If we don't speak the truth, we cannot attain the trust of other. जो भी बच्चे झूठ बोलते हैं उनकी बात का कोई भी यकीन नहीं करता. अगर आपसे कोई भी मिस्टेक हो जाए, आपको चाहिए कि आप रियलिटी जो हकीकत जो है मामा को और अपनी टीचर को बताएं, अपने बड़ों को बताएं. They will forgive you, but you don't have to tell a lie. Hope you have got the moral lesson. Now come towards the lesson. Adjectives. As you know, we are discussing the unit number 4, that is adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Adjectives are describing words. Describing words mean it tells us more about noun. Describing words mean it tells us more about noun. Yes, adjectives tell us about nouns. Adjectives tell us what size, tall, small, big, huge. We describe the size. Adjectives tell us what color, red, green, blue, purple. All the colors are adjectives. How something tastes, sweet, sour. These are the adjectives for taste. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. In adjective, we describe the number. How something feels, cold, hot. In adjective, we describe the feeling. How something looks, ugly, pretty, beautiful. We describe the looks of noun. What shape? Round, circle, rectangle. So all the shapes are adjectives. Sounds, loud, quiet, noisy. These are the adjectives for describing the sound. How something smells, fresh, yummy. These are the adjectives for describing the smell. How something behave, slow, fast, nice. These are the adjectives for behavior. So, adjectives tells us about noun. In adjectives, we describe the size, we describe the color, how something tastes, how many, how something feels, how something looks, what shape, sound, smells and behave. So adjectives tells us about nouns. We have completed the adjectives. Now we will complete its exercise. But before starting the exercise, I want to give you an instruction. You will copy these sentences in your rough notebook. Yes, first activity is underline the adjectives in each sentence. First sentence, Jack sold the brown cow. What will be the adjective in this sentence? Think about it. Jack. Jack is the name of a boy. Sold. Sold is a V2 of sell. It's a verb. Cow. Cow is a noun and brown. Brown is an adjective. You have to underline it. He planted the magic beans. He. Here he is a pronoun or it is for noun. Planted, V2 of plant. Magic, it will be an adjective. Beans, it's a noun. So, magic will be an adjective. Next, Jack climbed the tall beanstalk. Climbed, V2 of climb. Jack is a noun. Tall. Tall is an adjective. Beanstalk. Beanstalk means it's the stems of plant. It's the stems of beans. Clear? Next, number 4. Jack saw an old castle. Castle mean mahal. Old. An adjective. Saw. It's a V2 of see. Jack is a noun and castle is also a noun. Old will be an adjective. Next, the giant was very fierce. Fierce, it's an adjective. Jack stole the bag of a gold coins. What will be adjective in this sentence? Gold. Jack is a noun. Stole, V2 of steal. Bag of gold coins. Coins is a noun and bag is also a noun. Gold will be an adjective. You have to copy these sentences in your rough notebook. Next activity is choose the most suitable adjective to complete each one. Yes, the bridge was, options are number A, loud, number B, wooden, number C, soft. Yes, what will be the suitable answer for bridge? We will choose it. Option B, the bridge was wooden. The bridge was wooden. Wooden is an adjective for the bridge. Clear? The river was, option A, white, option B, sharp, option C, new. Yes, option A is white. The river was white. The river was white. Number 3. The forest was fat, high, dark. What will be the suitable adjective for forest? Dark. The forest was dark. I am repeating for you. The bridge was wooden, the river was white, and the forest was dark. These are adjectives for the statement wooden, bridge, white for river, and dark for forest. Now make up some sentences of your own. Use these adjectives in them. These are the adjectives. You have to make the sentences of these adjectives. First one, sad. Second, funny. Third, soft. Fourth, muddy. Fifth, hungry. Clear? You have to use these adjectives in your sentence. Sad. Absurda. Not happy. I am very sad today. You can make the sentence funny. Full of fun. Mazahiya. He is looking very funny. Soft. Narm. The pillow is very soft. Muddy. Covered by mud. Or kichad. Don't walk on muddy path. Hungry. I am feeling hungry. Bhook lagna. Clear? You will make the sentences of your own. Homework. Learn classwork. You have to learn the exercise we have completed today. And second task is make sentences of your own with words on workbook page number 16. As I have explained the meaning, you have to make the sentences of these words. Clear? Hope you have enjoyed your lesson. Take care all of you. Allah Hafiz.